So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be going over quite a few verses. I'm going to be going over 1 Timothy 4, 1 through 2. And then what I'm going to do in other videos today is I'm going to reference verses that are linked to this verse and tie into it from Peter, John, Jude, and Paul. So we're going to start with, and you can kind of see some of my notes. So sorry if you can see them, and then you could also just kind of pause it, look at the notes, because these will be ones I'm going to reference in other videos. So we're going to start here with 1 Timothy 4, 1 through 2. Now the Spirit. So remember, kind of like the note I put right there. The Spirit is referring to the Holy Spirit. Now the Spirit speaketh expressly that in the latter times, so the latter times, they're referring to the last days, some shall depart from the faith. Remember, this is referencing to our faith in the gospel. People will depart from the Bible and the faith, and we'll refer back to that also when we refer to the gospel, which is 1 Corinthians 15, 1 through 4. Giving heed to seducing spirits, which are demons, and doctrines of devils. Remember, departing from the faith is also apostasy, falling away. So again, we're going to be referencing the various verses that you see on this page that are linked to this verse directly. Speaking lies and hypocrisy, having their conscience seared with the hot iron. So, like I said, going back to this verse, 4:1, now the Spirit, which is the Holy Spirit, speaketh expressly, that in the latter days, which is the last days, some shall depart from faith, that's the apostasy, the falling away. And when they depart from faith, they're departing from the gospel, which is in 1 Corinthians 15, 1 through 4. Giving heed to seducing spirits, demons, and doctrines of devils. Again, we're going to reference all the little verses that you also see written in the notes on here. Thank you. And if you want to hear the other ones, you could watch the future videos for today, or you can just reference them yourself.